Greetings, welcome back to Servo RC and the vintage Traxxas TRX3 rebuild series. We've done a few things to the car since we last saw her. We've put the new front tyres have arrived. The old ones, as you can see, a little bit damaged. They've just perished over time, so I had to replace the front ones. New ones on the rear as well. We've detailed those as well. We've just painted them in so it looks a little bit more posh. We've refilled all the shocks. We've taken it out, cleaned out all the dirty oil, and boy was it dirty. It was very, very dark grey. So that's all gone. Complete rebuild of the shocks. I've sanded down the actual shock piston because a couple of them had been gripped with a pair of pliers and there was a couple of loose sort of burrs on there. So that's sanded off. They're all nice and smooth and they're running fine. We've put 45 weight in the front for some nice stiff front suspension and 30 in the rear to stop it skidding too much, just to soften it up a little bit in the rear. Now we've cleaned and polished the entire chassis. I'll take the body kit off. We've cleaned and polished the entire chassis. All the arms are polished. I've also picked out, and you can see that on the camera, I've picked out the TRX in the front there in white as well. So that's just another little bit of detailing. Everything is now ready for the electronics. As far as electronics go, the only electronics we have at the moment is an ESC, courtesy of Marc's RC Addict. Fantastic guy. Thank you very much, Marc, for sending me this. This is going to go into the build. It's going to fit right up there. We've got the sponge fittings on the back and that fits in perfectly. So that's going to mount up there straight away. And then we're going to have the receiver probably on one or other of the sides. As far as where that goes, not going to worry about a waterproof mount because this thing's not going to be anywhere near water for quite some time. Second phase will be servo. Now this is the original servo. It is incredibly powerful. I don't know what sort of kilo turn that is, but that's a really powerful servo. That doesn't work, unfortunately. I've plugged that into another ESC and a power plant, and it just doesn't do anything at all. So unfortunately that's buggered. So we're going to have to get a new servo. I'm not entirely sure what sort of strength, what sort of kg servo I need. So if anyone's got any idea of the average sort of kg servos for, I want to say it's a racing car, but I'm not going to be racing it. It's going to be bashing, so nothing too serious. But what sort of kg servo do you think I need? Let me know in the comments. All help is greatly appreciated. So that is a Ripmax Extra speed controller. It's got all the various details and stuff, how to program it, etc, in there as well. So that's very, very handy indeed. So we have got one piece of electronics. We need to get the servo and the radio system. I've already picked out. Haven't ordered that yet, but going to get a nice little radio system. It's going to be one of two. It's either going to be one that Marc RC Addict has reviewed himself, which is a speed limiter radio system that might be quite useful for this because I don't really want to thrash the shit out of it on the first run. So a speed limiter might be quite good. Or I'm going to get the Absima radio that has a little screen on the top that's a multi-protocol, so you can store more than one car in the transmitter. So that's quite useful. It comes with two receivers as well. That's about £40. So I need a new receiver for my Absima. So if I get one of those, stick that in there and then run this and the Absima from the same gun, that might work as well. So a couple of choices there as far as radio systems go. Really, we just need to worry about getting the servo, and then hopefully I'm going to have to source a new motor because that still hasn't come back into stock yet. So I'm going to get the Titan 340 probably. If not, then I'll have to just get something generic for now and then hunt down a slightly more appropriate one at a later date. But that is as far as we got so far, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the update. I'll see you next time on Servo RC.